Welcome to the second devlog for the Daily Bonk. Today we're talking about the Bevy Easy Vec UI. We had a commenter from the last video. Here we go. Mr. Andui246 was asking for a low-code solution. And I wanted to combine the best of both worlds from the two UI solutions I had built, one for the back end, one from the front end, and this accomplishes that. So I built this plugin and it's published, it's on Crates. You can just add it via cargo add Bevy Easy Vec UI. This is written for Bevy 0.14.2. I will eventually get around to building a version for 0.15, but that is when I move to that platform myself. So we have a build pattern for whenever you add the plugin. You start by adding the plugin, and then you init the font that you want to use. It's only built to use a single font, because this is a easy streamlined setup, and adding multiple fonts would complicate the setup, and it would make it a little bit more verbose. The next part of the pattern is going to be this camera layer. You declare what layer you want the camera to be rendered on. Default's -1. There is a default title. It just says that your default title has not been set. And then I've got a title set here. There is a title font size. You can manually set that. Then you've got your data font size, and then you build it. The next thing is you'll need to add a system that runs every frame to update. There is a shared resource, Easy Vec UI, and in there you can go ahead and inject Vec left and inject Vec right, and those will be updated every frame on the screen. And here, it's the back end, here we go. And here is a better preview of what you might image in new tab. Come on, Grandpa. There we go. So this is kind of a preview of what you'll see. All of your different data points will be listed there on the left and on the right as you have put them into code. And when I added this logic to my project, here we go. Let me go to user interface. It reduced this much code down to this Easy Vec UI, and then I inject the data, and here's the call in main. So we've got the add plugins, the setup, exact same build pattern, and you just import the Bevy Easy Vec UI plugin, and then wherever you actually inject, you'll need to import the Easy Vec UI resource. Like I said, this is available for you to use today, and I figured I'd throw it out to the world because I found it useful, so I thought you might too. This is the second devlog for the Daily Bonk. I appreciate you popping in. Have a great day.